Hey, what's up, boys? Welcome back to another video. This is Tuesday. I actually took a trade on NZD USD, and I will show you the trade right now. So that trade went to, let me just show you the trade. This trade went into like 60% profit, and then it went back to break even, because I always break even at 50% profit, which is 1 hour. As you can see here, break even, risk off, and went back. So this is it's good, of course, and also bad because I didn't keep TP. But then this pullback, all the USD pairs have a correlation together. This pullback gave me another entry on EU. As you can see from here, Euro USD. I'm on this trade, this short right here. I got in at London. I'm sorry, at New York session. The one on NZD USD was on London session, basically. So let me show you the running P&L, so you of course can believe me. So this trade is a trade that will tell me whether I'm gonna pass. If I win this trade, basically I'm going to pass phase one on my equity edge, and I actually took this trade on all my accounts as usual, as I always tell you guys. So as you can see from here, I took this short on EU, sell on my Fiverr account. Let me just show you the account right here. So yeah, it's on EU, currently running a profit. So how do I feel? I feel awesome. This is how trading is, nothing serious. Before I take a trade, I always remove my stop loss, P&L from my mind. I already paid for my stop loss, so I already come to the market a loser. So if I win, that's fine. If not, we keep going again. So basically, if I lose this trade, I will go back to risking 1% on my main account, which is the account I'm about to pass, and keep doing that till I go back to 5% profit again, and then I risk 1.5% just to reduce my trade frequency. Because I know in a space of 10 trades, I am profitable, and that's what I'm following on my my trading plan, as I told you guys. So I will update you on this trade, and let me know how you're doing. Comments down below how you're feeling, how's your day today, how has your trading career been. I hope you're doing fine, and make sure to not give up. Never give up. What's up, boys? So that trade I took, let me just show you real quick. See, we had news by 8:30 a.m. Sorry, 9:45 a.m. New York time. So guys, as you can see, we had a news released by 2:45 p.m. my time, and as that news was released, I got stopped out for 1 hour. Here I am down 1.5% this week. I've gone back to 3.5% basically. So for my next trade, if I win my next trade, I'll get back to 5% and I'll follow the same risk. It's just my trading plan. I can't change anything about it. So far so good. Under my 10 trades rule, I've taken 3 trades, 2 wins and 1 loss. That means I'm profitable. So I'll update you guys on how the week goes. Yeah, probably have a good trade tomorrow, because anytime Tuesday creates a very deep high of the week. Wednesday you tend to always trade back into the range or make the low of the week. So with that being said, I'll see you guys tomorrow if I get a trade. Make sure you always manage your risk in these charts. Thank you for watching. Hello guys, this is Thursday. I haven't traded since that Tuesday I made a video that you just watched now. So this is Thursday, and I took a short on GU. As you can see, this trade here in New York session, and basically on Euro USD, see SMT, we are making higher highs, which shows that the Euro is a stronger pair, but GU has been failing to make higher highs, which tells me that GU is the weaker pair. So it's the same trade idea, but I just took it on GU because of SMT. Bearish if you're making lower highs. That's because he has a weakness to go higher. But SMT can, of course, give us an indication that we're going to go lower if another pair, the correlating asset, is going to give us an upper hand. Like in this case now, the Euro USD, which I did my initial analysis. I had some SMT on DXY and GU, So GU is the weaker pair among them. So I took a short on GU because it's weaker. So that's just some SMT, idea and stuff. So that being said, I'll update on the trade, and yeah. So I forgot to tell you guys, another reason why I didn't take this trade on EU is because you can see that news. We have a bank holiday on the euro. As you can see there, we have bank holiday on the euro. So I don't really expect much from the euro today. So the bank holiday, and this is of course on my journal. Normally I prefer to take trades on EU than GU, but sometimes you have to make the hard decision and take it on an underpay. I have 4 accounts that I bought recently, and I have one of my accounts which is the Fibers account I just told you guys about. I feel like taking this short on the other accounts and start trading them at once, but I want to go slowly and gradually as the journey moves on. But yeah, as I said before, I'll update you guys. I hope you guys are doing fine. If you're enjoying this video, please like, subscribe, and yeah. So guys, guess what? This is something about trading that is very annoying, all these minor details and little technical details and everything. Look at the trade I just took, right? As you can see from here, this trade tagged me in, went directly to my direction, and then when the news came out, I actually didn't hit my stop loss on my analysis and everything, okay, as you can see from there, but then it hit TP. Yeah, I was happy and stuff. Nice trade, not really, just of course normally, nice trade, nice win for the day. I go to check my accounts, and I took a loss on all of them, on the 3 accounts, on the firewalls, on everything. So now I am 1% down for a correct idea, and that's just something that's something about trading that you guys don't really understand. That it is so annoying sometimes. It can be so frustrating. Like, look at this trade I took. I'm not supposed to take a loss on this trade, but like even like my analysis was so good that look at EU. This is why I didn't take it on EU. You see, EU. If I took this on EU, you would have stopped me out because this is like above my stop. That's why I didn't take it on EU. But GU was much cleaner, and that's why I took it on GU. But still, as you can see, I got wicked out. And I wish if this was on a futures prop firm like Top Step or Apex Trader or MFF, this trade would have not hit my stop loss. There's literally no spreads in futures, but this is one thing about CFD prop firms. You just get this kind of you get this is what you get when you come to come and trade on normal forex markets. But it's we call this the cost of business, right? Well, it's fine. Some days you'll be correct and you take a win in your books, but in your account, so your P&L, you don't take a win. So well, I'm completely fine. I'm now down 2.5% on my main account. Yes, but the account is still at 1% profit, I think, or 2% profit. So, no, the account is still in 2% profits. Yes, it's almost $200 profit. The account is still around that area, but this week it's down 2.5%, and on the other accounts are down 2% basically. So my Fiverr account I took back to Breakeven. It's back into Jordan again, and yeah, it's normal for trading. I just took 2 losses in a row, I guess. Yeah, 2 losses in a row. Nothing new. You've seen this many times, but I know my numbers. I know my numbers, so I'll keep on going, trading the same way. Nothing's gonna change. I'll probably not trade on Friday, but if I do trade on Friday, I will of course make a video on Friday. Call this a winning trade on my journal because yeah, it's a win basically. The analysis and everything was top notch. What affected me here was top 10. So yeah, thank you for watching. Hello guys, welcome back. This is a Friday, lovely Friday. This is 8:30 New York time. We have a news release today. We had a news release by 1:30 p.m. on my own time, which is 8:30 a.m. on New York time. So from my yesterday's trade, you saw the trade. It kind of stopped me out when my stop loss didn't even get hit, and went to my direction. So I learned from that, and I just put that in my journal, and I used that today, and that really helped me today. So on Friday, I expect TJF setup of course to fit back into the range, and also my model Okay, you don't know my model, but I just trade ERL to IRL basically. So I used the idea from what happened to me yesterday to counter the market today. So I want to show you the trade I took today. Yeah, let me increase my brightness for you guys. So this is on NZD USD, as you can see clearly here. There was news released by 8:30 a.m. New York time. It set previous daily highs. We had SMT with AUD USD, and yeah, I actually initially wanted to take this short on once the USD is going to be bullish, the USD risk assets will be bearish. So I wanted to take this short on EU, but as you can see, it didn't tag me in. I was waiting for this to happen and it didn't tag me in, and it went down just straight to my direction. But this didn't make me feel any bad because I had the under alternative on NU, which is the same idea. So yeah, this was a very good trade. As you can see, we had this 3 drive pattern into a higher sensitivity level and had this bullish, this bearish breaker block. This is a market maker sell model. If you guys don't know the MMX, what I trade is the market maker model. I trade into it. I wait for price to trade into a daily range, and then I try to trade to the opposing liquidity. That's a market maker model in a nutshell, and that has been what I really found, success in. And I only trade a 15-minute chart, and yeah, I look at the daily level. I go down to the 4-hour or the 1 hour sometimes, and then I go down to 15 minutes for executions, and that's how I trade. And on EU currently now, it is almost approaching the TP I predetermined for it to get to, and it was a very clear setup for me. And I didn't, the news driver which was released went directly to my entry, and that tagged me in. That was where I was expecting to get tagged in or failed, but it didn't reach there, and it just came back. But that's good. If you miss an entry, that's good. Just put it in your journal. But I took a trade on NZD USD, and so far it's looking great. 15 minutes here, as you can see, on 15 minutes looking completely fine. On the 1 hour, it's looking fine. So once we get to this mitigation block here, which is below the daily open, I'll go break even, because that's how my model says. I go break even at the left side of the curve. I use this as my trade management idea. So tell me what you trade, how you trade your model, and what you found success with. Me personally, I found success with market maker models, because I believe that the markets are being controlled and rigged, and that's how my trading has always, I trade ICT concepts, and I have to believe in it anyways. And don't forget, don't ever chase price. Never chase price. That's the last thing you want to do. That the reason I didn't chase price on EU is because I am kind of disciplined. I've learned from past experiences. Do not chase price. Let the price come to you. That's the best way you can really trade, honestly. That being said, see you later. Hey boys, guess what? I took 2 losses this week. And lost 2%. One was feeling so down and shit, and it's normal trading. I know my data, and I always trust in my data. And if I took the first loss on Tuesday, second loss on Thursday, and TGIF setup today just showed up and saved the week. So this is just basically a break-even week, down 2%. And guess what? It was one of the most annoying trades I've ever held. As you can see, we hit TP, very good, but from 8:30 when I was tagged in, as you can see on here, from 8:30 till I think 1 hour and 30 minutes, this trade was so slow. EU was moving, DXY, even all the SMT pairs were moving, but this pair just decided to not move. And you can see this is an MMBM market maker buy model on DXY, original consolidation. This is the sell side of the curve, and this is the buy side of the curve basically. And it hasn't yet completed yet, but I'm expecting it to take this high very soon. But I've already hit TP. That's what really matters. I've made my money today. You can see my market maker sell model. This is the first accumulation, second accumulation phase, and I think it will go lower to this to the equilibrium price of the week. So that's basically it for me this week. Nothing much, nothing serious. Break even week. Lost 2%, I made it back. if I didn't lose my trade yesterday, if my stop wasn't hit on my account, I would have been up for the week 2%. But you know how firms are, spreads and everything. Those spreads wicked me out and went back to my TP. But on my trading view, my analysis and everything was good. It didn't stop me out. But on my broker, my prop M broker stopped me out. So that's just part of the trading, man. You have to just understand that this is how business is. But anyways, we hit TP, feel normal. I just feel okay, nothing much. I still want to backtest more, and I want to have like 10 years of data. I need enough data, but I have like 1 year plus. I want to continue to build up a data of backtesting, and from backtesting, your good setups. You know how a good trade looks. You know how your setup should perform. You know how fast and how slow you should move and everything. That's how you know your trading style, your trading model, and how you can be able to gauge your expectations. Because me, I've been trading this model for beginning of the year to today, and I have switched a couple of times and come back to the model because it's like my home. It's like something you just leave and come back every time. So yeah, but I don't think I'll be leaving this model again this year. I'll keep trading this for the rest of my life, possibly. And the model can be scaled to higher time frame, like a swing trade or day trade, or even scalping. But I prefer day trading kind of thing, kind of time frame, if that makes any sense. That being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm not going to be even editing much. I'm sorry I didn't wear shirts in any part of the video. From Tuesday till today, I've completely been indoors. I don't go out, and I mostly stay indoors, study and trade, and just keep getting better. So if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and comment what you think about this series. If you're enjoying the series, back to break even, and hopefully by the end of the month of May or this month, we should pass the account phase 1 and enter phase 2. But that's not something I'm in a haste to achieve. I'm very patient, and I trust the process, and I am submitting to time. That being said, guys, if I have electricity, I'll of course make a video today. If not, I will till I have a supply of electricity to be able to edit the video and upload. But I can't use my battery power to edit and upload the video because this will be very, very inefficient for me. But that being said, enjoy and take care of yourself. Happy weekend. If this is even the weekend upload, happy weekend. If not, bye.